Hey guys, this is Jerry over here at Flawless Automotive, and today I have an awesome review for you guys. But first, I would like for you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, so you guys can check out all our content, promos, and anything other stuff that we may have for you guys. And today, I have the Pedal Commander in my hand. Check it out. Today, we're gonna be doing a review on why it's worth it to put this on, or maybe not. Maybe it's not worth it for you, but let's go ahead and dive in and check it out. What is up, y'all? Welcome to the Pedal Commander review. First of all, I want to thank everybody who showed love to our YouTube and our social media accounts. Thank you so much. Pedal Commander, this is a company that's been making this awesome unit for quite some time. It's a unit that will allow you to maximize your fuel economy. It allows you to make your pedal more sensitive for a sportier feel on your vehicle. It has four different modes: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. You know, Eco is going to give you maximize your fuel economy up to 20% over your stock ratings. The City, City mode is for like daily driving, nothing too crazy. It does give you a better feel of your day-to-day driving. The Sport mode is going to be a bit more of a spirited driving, so it's going to give you a little bit more edge on your city driving. And then obviously your Sport Plus, and that's something that it's not going to be for everybody. It's not going to be for everybody, but definitely it's going to be there when you need it. Pedal Commander is a great product. I recommend it to everybody who's looking to get more out of their vehicle, to get more, that response that they need. Some of these newer vehicles, the lag is just way too much, and if you want to go ahead and cut that lag, you definitely want to put a Pedal Commander in your vehicle. These units are available with us. If you want to go ahead and purchase it, go ahead and send us a message, give us a call, send us a message through our social media accounts. We will get you going with one of these Pedal Commanders, and you'll have the ability to make your vehicles respond exactly how you want it, when you want it. So check it out, Pedal Commander at Flawless Automotive.